In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send attachments larger than 25 megabytes in Gmail. If you've ever tried emailing a large file, you may have seen a message pop up indicating that files over 25 megabytes can't be attached. But don't worry, there's a simple way around this limitation using Google Drive, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click the Compose button to open a new email draft. Now, instead of attempting to attach the large file directly, we're going to use Google Drive. So, in the new email window, look for the Google Drive icon, which you'll find at the bottom toolbar, right next to the standard paperclip attachment symbol. Once you click on the Google Drive icon, a new window will pop up, displaying your Google Drive. If the file you need to send is already in Drive, simply locate it here. If not, we have to upload it. So, click on Upload, found in the left sidebar of the Google Drive window. This will allow you to select files from your computer. Navigate to the location where your large file is stored, select it, and then click on Open. Your file will now begin uploading to Google Drive if it isn't already there. Once the upload completes, you'll see the file right there in your Google Drive. Click on the file once, and you'll notice a button at the bottom right that says Insert. Go ahead and click that button. This action will create a link in your email to the file stored on Google Drive, rather than attaching the file itself directly. Now, let's move to sharing permissions. You see, when you send this link, the recipient needs permission to access your file. Gmail often prompts you with a sharing settings box. Here, you can control who views your file. For maximum accessibility, consider selecting anyone with the link can view. This guarantees that once your recipient receives the email, they'll have access without hiccups. If you need security, you can choose more restricted options. Just ensure your recipient can still view the file. Make your choice, and click Done. You'll now see the email draft with a Google Drive link inserted where attachments usually line up. Add your recipient's email address, a subject, and any additional message you might want to include to provide context for the file or instructions. When it looks all good, click Send. Your file is now on its way, without the constraints of Gmail's 25 megabytes limit. So, anytime you need to send large files through Gmail, remember Google Drive is your best friend. It's efficient, simple, and gets your files where they need to go. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy tips.